Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix a Viki app proxy error. Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and disable any active VPN or any proxy that you have. So I'll click here, I'll disconnect this, and then you can do this from the app as well. Just make sure any VPN you're using, you go ahead and disconnect that, okay? And if you have any proxy as well, make sure those are off from your settings. So we'll come here and we will go ahead and stop this VPN. Next, what I want you to do is hold on the app's, icon, click on app info, and then I want you to come here, click on storage and cache, and delete the cache. Okay, if there's any cache, delete that, and any data, clear that storage. Then what you do is you go ahead and restart the app. If you're still having trouble, restart your router, should fix the issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.